I'll guide you through how to add sound effects in Google Slides. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Google Slides and click Blank Presentation to start with a new file. Choose and add the available template to set the layout for your slide. Then click Insert, then click Audio to open the audio selection menu. Select the sound effects folder that has been created, then choose the audio file and click Insert to place on the slide. Adjust the icon position and try to play it to hear the result clearly.